In the world of industrial machinery, precision, safety, and efficiency are must. Introducing our 50-tone air and hydraulically operated foot pedal press. It has a capacity of 50 tons and weighs in at a substantial 240 kilograms, ensuring stability and durability for the toughest tasks. Safety is our top priority. Equipped with the safety valve and industry seals, this machine ensures safe operation under any condition. The winch and pulley protection covers, along with the dustproof cover, protect both the machine and the operator. Designed with the user in mind, the ergonomic operation handle and foot pedal for pneumatic operation make for easy and comfortable use. The pneumatic and manual pump with double speed action allows for flexible operation, while the scale and sliding cylinder with handle and screw extension provide precise adjustments for various tasks. For more information on this product, visit our website or contact our sales representatives for amazing prices and discounts.